Hello and good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm a little late today. The daughter got me today. We all know how that is, right? Oh, yeah. She's got to use the restroom right when the stream starts, we'll say. Good morning, though, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Glad to see everybody here today. What's going on? Let's have a great open here. Tesla is falling off to start 2025. I know that's not going to make everyone happy out there. Tesla's starting off with a massive pullback here. Now, is it the most massive pullback that we've ever seen? No. But is it pretty respectable and large? Yes, it definitely is. $400 has been broken on Tesla this morning. And I was reading through their delivery numbers, and it's not looking good. For the full year, deliveries fell from 1.81 million in 2023 to 1.789 million in 2024. That is not good to see delivery numbers falling. And they're saying here that this is the first drop in annual delivery numbers for Tesla. So definitely not the best sign here to start the day and to start the year off for Tesla. But I will say this, though. Tesla has been very hot this year. And am I really surprised to see it pulling back here? No, definitely not. You know, there's been pullbacks along this whole run-up, like right here, where Tesla pulled back 32% before running up to new highs. Right now, from the high, Tesla's down around 22%, which is pretty wild to say. That is kind of wild. Hi. I have a little helper with me today. What's going on with SoFi? Sean said UVXY kind of day. We like UVXY out here. Looking at the 1 minute, it's coming back pretty well. That's pretty good to see. SPXS is trying to roar back to life too. That would be nice. Nagram likes the background music today. There we go. Pretty good music. Yeah, I figured I'd switch it up here today. Hang on 1 second, guys. SoFi, let's see. Got all the book maps out here. Tilray, MJ, CGC, CNBS, Weedstock. Tilray. That's one of our favorites. It's too bad Tilray hasn't been doing anything in the short term. I was definitely looking for a bit more of momentum here. Maybe off of this lower support. It looks like it's holding pretty well, actually, whenever we look at the daily. There's a really good wick touch on Tilray, right at the $1.28 to $1.30 support. Holding that wick really, really well. Sean just had a little Tilray. Man, you're making me laugh, Sean. Some Tilray. I love it that we call it that. Makes me happy. Palantir sinking, Stewart said. PLTR, Palantir definitely is sinking down. That's not good. Those are some bad red candles here. $72.50. Definitely not good. Poor Palantir. $75 support broke, and it has been nothing but red since. Tesla is still red, under $400. Continues to show a lot of negativity here today. Oh yeah, Shanty, I can't even talk still, it feels like. Terrible. It's brutal out there, and now my daughter has it, which makes it even worse. Now she's out here coughing too. That's even worse. SoFi, crazy movement here. It's $15 gives out. Palantir sinking, but this music is keeping me calm. It is some calming music, isn't it? Very calming. Apple's red. It's red like the red apple. Down to 245 support on Apple here. 245. Let's see. The daily. How big is 245 on the daily? Pretty large. Not as large as I thought. More of the bounces were around 246. Let's see the hourly. Yeah, they were closer to 246. Gonna have to slow dance. Good morning, Tangy Man. How you liking the energy moves, Tangy? Did you see any crude oil action? How about anybody out there? Are you guys looking at oil at all? Crude oil is in a very interesting setup here on the hourly and daily charts. I've been watching some trends on crude, and it's starting to extend up and out of some of this lower range, which is nice. ZOM and Oxy are coming back a little bit today again, which is good. So far, so good, right? So far, so good here. Yeah, the little one's in the background, Shanty. She's in here because she was very mad at me today. I figured I'd bring her in here with us today. Coconut said China EVs got really good, probably referring to the Tesla stuff. For anybody just now joining up, Tesla broke through $400 in pre-market today. This was major for Tesla here. Tesla stock has done great in 2024, so don't think that this pullback is like the end of the world for Tesla or anything like that, but it is a worry, and to see annual delivery numbers come in lower than the previous year, that's a bad sign. At least semi-bad, right? $RUN, 5% day already off of lows. Ticker symbol RUN, Sunrun. This stock used to be pretty popular, and it's been losing its popularity, we'll say. Down around key support. That is a big support on Sunrun's chart that it's been holding and bouncing off of lately. Gosh, that's a crazy support, actually. I like it. It's not bad. RUN. $9.86 resistance. $10 resistance after that. Definitely keep it on the radar. Like, I just bought more UEC in pre-market in the 6s, now it's trading in the 7s. There you go, Tangy. Give me one sec, guys. I'm gonna go let the dog in the living tell you guys what, this has been the worst past couple months. Everything going on, so much sickness, people dying. It's like, holy shit. UEC, 9%, definitely huge move there. That's a big one, Tangi. A big mover. UEC. All doing well, Tangi said. CLSK, nice. 35% on Mara calls, AB said. Beautiful on Mara. I love to hear that. Bitcoin was looking great yesterday. The market was closed on Wednesday, but Bitcoin was open and it was moving a bit higher, which I thought was nice to see. I figured it would be nice for some of these Bitcoin stocks. Mara, Riot, let's see, Coinbase and MicroStrategy possibly. They are even looking decent today. Music for yoga, yeah. It's getting a little too slow, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? You like it better than the normal music or not? Maui said, I feel like I made a lot of wrong choices. I bought MU stock and some AMD. The moment they slow or go down badly, I got you. MU's actually holding support in the short term pretty well. I was definitely watching more of for MU to break under support and keep falling down, but it seems like they're doing okay. Nice, Manny likes it, cool. Too slow, too slow, too slow. Can we look at the SPY? Yeah, definitely. Here's SPY right now. It's falling off. It filled the gap from this morning, which is nice. SPY's pulling back with a lot of the tech stocks. Initially, SPY was looking pretty good this morning. I was pretty happy with the price action. I have identified a channel on SPY from the past couple of days. I'm going to circle the upper and the lower ends of the channel. I would keep looking for the channel to play. Honestly. Until the bottom of the channel gives out or the top of the channel gives out, I would just try to play within the channel on SPY. I am leaning down at some point here in the short term, but that doesn't mean that it's going to play that way. I will definitely adapt to back up if 592 breaks. And one good thing is that if SPY does hold this range, it would be forming a higher low of recently, which would be really, really nice. Now, if we start breaking through here, the lower highs will continue to hold up. But I think it could go either way. I'm actually very neutral on it right now. And it's hard to front run it, in my opinion. Sean is floating to this music. That's awesome. My book map is messed up too. Not as bad as yours though, Mason. Palantir finds support at 1180. I wish. 1180. Oh my god. Did I say that, Meat Sack? Oh. 1180. That would be nuts. Mara still ripping up to 1818. Oh, gotcha. Sometimes I think I say things wrong. I'm like, oh god, I probably did. I do it too much, Meat Sack. you probably know. Pansy said, yeah, I'll buy it at 1180, but that won't happen. That would be awesome. see DraftKings here. We haven't looked at DraftKings in a little while, but figured we'd look at it to start the year here, right? DraftKings kicks off 2025 at $37. It's following a huge trend line on the daily chart. Look at the trend line on the daily, still holding up. That is major right there. BTG is up 4.5%. What is BTG? Let's see. B2 Gold Corp. I haven't looked at this one in a little while, I don't think. Makes sense, though, with the gold starting to move back a little bit more. GLD moved well this morning. It was great. Negrom said, this music's my vibe. I'm about to fall asleep. Oh, God. Couple of songs ago was a Tribe Called Quest beat. I was digging it. You guys know some of these? That's pretty cool. What's up, Martin? Good morning. Good morning, Martin. Coconut needs workout music. Yeah, maybe it is a little too slow today. We might have to switch it up a little bit. Go back to our normal stuff. What do you guys think? I wish a lot of these songs didn't all have such bad words in them. All the songs I like have all these bad words. Hey, let's go, Martin! Coming in with the first super of 2025. Hell yeah, Martin. I appreciate that. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I want whatever Tom wants. Good, that means you're gonna want some Tesla on the dip soon. No, I'm kidding, Sean. I am eyeing up this dip, though, pretty well. I'm gonna be watching this one, that's for sure. Hey! Isaiah with the buck, too. First super ever. There we go, Isaiah. Appreciate that. Play metal. Heavy metal. I don't know about that. They don't have to be heavy, but... Go see CCJ here. Hey, money all over the world. Let's go, Tom. Hell yeah, Martin. All around the world. That is awesome. Martin, are you located in Mexico? That's pretty cool if you are. I didn't know that. Isaiah and Whiskey, my boys. Love that. Hell yeah. Let's go, Isaiah. CCJ. Let's go back to Zom and Oxy, which we're doing pretty good this morning. They're starting to slow up a little bit, but looking pretty good. The Russell IWM's popping off.
how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night.
Let's go look at UVXY and VIX again.
Have mercy on me. Take this pain away.
VIX started popping way back down. VIX is actually consolidating a lot on resistance here at the trend. This is right where it stopped last time too. SPY 590. Yeah, coming back. We're covering back up a little bit. I have resistance right around 590.50 and then 592. SPY. This is a good recovery though. It filled the gap and came back up really well on the gap fill, which is good to see. Good to see for now. I'm still sticking to what I said earlier though. I'm definitely more neutral here on SPY. I'm looking for it to keep playing within the range until it shows me that it's gonna break the range. Right now, I'm still watching the top end of the range. It could reject back. I think there's a possibility that it breaks up and out though. But, you know, we need to see it. Tesla needs to get those robots and taxis going. Yeah. They still had great performance this year. It's just, you know, short-term downtrends. You're going to hear a lot of negativity about them, but they were moving pretty well. No, sir. I'm in El Paso, Texas, just spending time with family. Working time, though. Let's go. Hell yeah, Martin. I got you. I thought that you were indicating that for a second by that, but that's all good. Big Tech mostly doing good, Coconut said. Yeah, it's been coming back. Tech has been trying to come back, I'll say. When I look at a lot of the movement from this morning, a lot of it was negative from open, but that doesn't mean that everything's red necessarily.
Do you remember telling me that I couldn't be anything? But now I'm like a god, getting everything that I want. Yeah, you think you win, but you lose. You don't got no means to do.
ALER said coin, COIN. Coinbase, there we go. 5%. Watching 260. It had a good break of 260 here this morning. That was a good rip above that resistance from pre-market. That was a good rip and hold there. Tangi, are you specifically talking about QuantumScape? I always think QuantumScape's a funny one because it sounds like it's going to be something that's more of like quantum computing, but I know that they're more of like batteries for electric cars. That one can confuse some people. Not that it should, but it does. I don't know too much about them, Tangi. I haven't done like a super deep dive on them, but it's one that, you know, has been fairly popular over the years. I will say with the support that's starting to form on QS, it's getting enticing with the support holding still. Around 480 to 5. This one's a very tough stock though, Tangi. I feel like it's a very niche sector there with these batteries, and We'll have to see, but looks like they have some big backers too. Palantir calls for a scalp, Jamie said. Good morning, Jamie. Good morning, good morning. $75, Palantir. You said scalp for some calls? If it keeps holding 75 here, it won't be bad. Ideally, it holds this level now. I think there's still a shot it could fall more, but... Wow, these moves. Go check Tesla here, falling off 4.2% to the downside. $4% down on Tesla. That is pretty rough. Boeing pulling back as well. I like that 180 rejection there on Boeing. One of our favorites to watch here on the channel. Always has some crazy movement going on. Wow, look at that move back. That's rough. Pretty brutal. Huh. Sorry, guys. Gosh, just can't talk. Nvidia is so bipolar, yeah. Thoughts on Tesla? Yeah, I've been looking at them a lot this morning, Mark. Falling under $400, definitely a bad sign in the short term for them. I am eyeing them up on the dip. There's a big support coming up on Tesla. I have right around 360. So I'll definitely be watching for that as it falls for a potential bounce there. Overall, I'm going to stay bearish on it today. It probably will see some type of chop back up at some point, though, a little bit. Don't think that that's out of the question, we'll say. Could be a good buy. Yeah, it could be. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Tesla's actually pulled back a lot from the top already. A lot of people probably don't even realize this, but from the recent high with Tesla up around 488 to where it got today at the low of day today, it fell 23%. This is a 23% pullback from the high already, which is pretty insane to say. But Tesla does this. I was showing this earlier too. They'll have these pullbacks that sometimes last a while. Like this last one was like a month long. It was like a 32% pullback in July. I'm surprised you haven't mentioned the Cybertruck at Trump Tower incident yet. Yeah, you know, I haven't gotten into it yet this morning, Jeanette. I was looking at it a lot yesterday. I haven't looked into it too much at the end of the day. A lot of weird PA. I would say that with that Cybertruck event, it definitely seems like a terroristic type of thing going on. You know, you could tell it was fireworks. Looked like fireworks. Very weird situation, I would say. Definitely not your normal stuff going on here. A lot of people were initially thinking that the truck blew up, you know, because there was like an electrical problem or a problem with the batteries or something like that, but no, it was it looked like a little bomb or something. Mason said Tesla's getting whacked by that news. It's not that news that's getting Tesla whacked, but yeah, I'm sure. You know what? I'm actually surprised. This is interesting. From Tuesday to this morning, Tesla actually gapped up. But the main reason Tesla's going down today is all these bad delivery numbers. Now, this is what really hit them. They had their first ever annual drop in delivery numbers. If you guys didn't hear this yet, that's brutal. A bomb was in the back. Yeah, it looked rough. Trevor said, yeah, the attack on Trump Tower could have something to do with it. Surprised you haven't mentioned the Cybertruck. I swung XPON and just sold for a 60% gain. Diesel Nuts said. Nice, Diesel. XPON, I missed that message a minute ago. XPON 360, what a wild one. Wow, a penny stock. Nice, I'm glad you caught it. Switch back to Amazon here. So much more to Tesla than the cars. I think the cars are taking the back seat. Yeah, they definitely are. They are. Tesla's nuts, though. That break of 400 was pretty crazy. I don't really see it breaking the low of day today, though. It'll probably chop around quite well. SPY's coming back still. Right around 590. It's holding above it right now, which is good to see. That's what we want to see. Yeah, Tesla has a lot going on with their power station stuff, and all that stuff's pretty insane too.
You've been stuck in my head, tossing and turning, lying awake in my bed. Forgot what I said. Was it enough for you and me to connect? I swear I'm done and no. Tell me, do I make you feel alive? What I want here and now is you right by my side. I can't wait another day for you to be in my life. Am I the one that you desire? Am I the one that you
Palantir back to the green, Coconut said. Really, already? Yeah. Made it back. There we go. Somehow Palantir is able to grow some legs, get some good movement going again. LUNR is on a ripper this morning, 12%. Plug Power at the top of the watch list too. I'm glad to see MicroStrategy and Coinbase moving back up with Bitcoin this weekend. That was good. Or I should say this week. I keep saying the weekend. Like I keep thinking that whenever the market was closed, it was like the weekend here. Having a problem with that. Palantir is one of the most important companies in America, Tangy Man says. Yeah, it is. Especially now with popularity, 100%. Not even talking about the military applications and stuff, but even popularity, it's up there now. Gotta love their growth. If you had to pick one stock for 2024 that like really took the cake for like stock of the year, it's tough. It's like, is it Palantir or is it Nvidia? Maybe Palantir takes the cake this time. It might. I'm curious. Let's do a poll. All right, vote it up. Let's go. Got a little poll going. I have 3 stocks on here. Palantir, Nvidia, and AVGO I even added on for 2024. Figured I'd put them on the list too. They're up quite a bit. In your opinion, which one had a better year? Percentage-wise, I think Palantir takes the cake for sure, but Palantir definitely takes the cake stats-wise, but you know, some people might just like Nvidia better. Manny says Palantir #1. Yeah, I agree. Tangy said Palantir right now is like Lockheed Martin on December 8th, 1941. Holy shit. We're gonna be cranking out the history books for this now, Tangy. That's funny.
And I know she'll be deducting me at least to a Bobby now. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone.
My best stock win this year was Drug. Really? DRUG. Bright Minds Biosciences. Wow, Drug. What a wild one. I can't remember what had them going, but I remember that they had a lot of hype in October when they were running. Cannot remember. What's up with them? Why are they doing this? We only have one future. Yeah, Uber for sure. Let me go to the chat real quick. I'm sure you asked in there too. Yeah, you did. All right, hang on. Our book maps got messed up this morning. It's stocked up. I threw it in the chat for you. No problem, JS. I got you there. Excuse me.
I keep winning, I keep on standing tall, above the ground. They wanna see me fall, see me crawl, see me gone like they don't need me anymore. But I keep
Wow.
winning.
A lot of crazy action today, up and down. What a way to start the year, though. What a weird day. Tesla's down, but a lot of the other tech stocks are trying to come back. Apple's not. But Nvidia's back in the green pretty well. Looking at the heat maps from today, pretty green, which is nice. Pretty decent start to the year, I would say. It was undervalued compared to CMPs and CBYN. Epilepsy LSD phase 2 studies. Gotcha. Gotcha. I see. And that's for DRUG, you guys that are wondering. Yeah, those studies can be wild. If they have a positive study or something, these pharma stocks can get crazy.
I'm unstoppable.
Thomas, your BMP so beautiful today. Sorry for the caps. No problem. Are you talking about Unity? Hell yeah. Unity's coming up very well off the dip. Getting back, Manny. Very nice. Unity, I really like that it's back above this support right around 25. If it could now hold above 25 and not go back under there, that'd be very ideal, Manny. Obviously. But it's a good support. Hopefully it keeps sticking above here. I like that. A lot of time on this one, too, out to September of next year. Pretty fire one to check back in on. Look at some of the other ones from recently. Reddit was a pretty crazy one. Some puts coming in on December 17th. RDDT is another big money play that was huge. $5.5 million in this one. Great resistance overhead. It keeps failing to break that. Reddit is on watch back to the downside as well. This one has a lot of good potential in my eyes. COHR is trying to get back. Holding still at the bottom of the range. That bottom, if the bottom of this range on COHR around $90 gives out, that's where the rough, that's where you probably have to cut. Probably be rough there. My bro-in-law is a financial advisor. He thinks this year will be quantum computing and nuclear energy. I like it. You know, we have one future. Those are two very hot sectors that I agree that could end up being a pretty hot part of the market, in my opinion. I would not be surprised. Those are some good sectors there. A lot of potential. Tesla took my lunch money this morning, just got half of it back. Wow, falling right back off again, Tesla. Rejecting. It's still not under the low of the day, but actively falling here.
Lost and wounded in your maze, a victim to your game. Searching for my saving grace to pull me out this plane. So as you lay down next to me, don't think I've ever felt so free. You whisper in my ear, I hear you calling me to the dawn.
Spy got swatted. Wow, yeah, it did. I wasn't expecting it to look like Tesla, but it is. Microsoft got swatted with the Spy. Apple's fallen off too, down to 245 support, definitely rough. Coconut says, I build VR worlds in Unity. That sounds awesome. I wish I could do that. I don't know how to use Unity in that type of way, but that sounds awesome. Cheerios all over the grocery aisle floor. No, 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 not today. I still can't believe that guy passed away this year. Uber slowed down right at resistance as well. Yes, it did.
Sitting here at the place where we first met.
Could have scalped Spy. Did you hear about the Italian chef that died? No. Oh, he passed away? Oh, God. Oh, that's cheesy as hell, Future. I like it, though. That's funny. Hey, vote up in the poll if you guys haven't done so yet. 33 total votes. Which stock was better in your opinion this year, Nvidia or Palantir? Let me know. Which one do you think had better price action? Palantir, I think, had the higher percentage statistics-wise, but some people might like some better movement out there. Maybe they think Nvidia played better. I don't know. Dad jokes. Yeah, that's a good one. That sounds like a good one for Halloween. Iconic went and took the dogs out, and now we're in the negative. Damn. Don't take those dogs out anymore, unless we buy some puts first. A-Lab.
Erasing all the memories. So cheers to the past, to all the regret.
Wow. MU still had a pretty good pop this morning. Off support. Slowing up a bit now.
So cheers to the
Switching back to it, see how the run's looking. Nvidia testing support, which is nice. 136.60. Gonna see if that can hold here this morning. It'd be beautiful if Nvidia could hold that and get above the high of day. Create a good opportunity for us intraday here. That would be a nice one. Meta's doing well, Coconut said. 2.5% Meta ran up to almost 605. Yeah, I would say pretty damn hot today. It's trying to hold above 600 now. Should be ideal for it.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my wrist. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking
Is Bookmap available on the phone? No, it is not, Mike.
and checking out.
It is not available on the phone. It takes up too much resources, I think. So it is not available there.
I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new.
Let's go Gorilla, GRRR.
Welcome to the new age. To the new age.
Gorilla Technology. This one has been pretty hot. Looks like it's slowing down a little bit over the past couple trading days, but this morning it's trying to come back. I like this intraday potential here. There's a good double top. If we break that double top, the game could be on there.
I suppose we'll bathe
Decent opportunities. Interesting.
it right in.
GRRR. This stock has definitely gotten a lot more popular recently.
Shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping
Support on Apple.
checking out.
Let's look. Looks like I have support right around 244.50 to 245. Keep your eyes on 245 as possible support. Definitely an area you could see some more movement here. Break that ish. Come on, break it. Let's check in on some of these quantum stocks. QUBT, QBTS, Rigetti. Rigetti is coming back really well today. Good day, Arthur. Good day, good day. Spy found a little support here. Goes to 587.30. If you're a scalper out there watching for this little double bottom, hopefully Spy can actually get a good move down here. I would rather it drop and get a good drop off here than just chop around like this all day. Gosh, we need some better directional movement, not this neutral channel bound action that we've been seeing here. Excuse me.
When you're far away, I'm in love with you. Feelings are so high. What can I do?
Tesla broke support. MDB, Jennifer said. MongoDB. I haven't looked at this one in a long time. 5.66%. Did Tesla break support? It did break intraday support, yes. A more minor support. Now there's going to be more major support coming up, but let's check it. I have more major support. Well, it was around 378. Of course, we're breaking that. If it could re-break that this morning, that'd be huge. Back down to 375. 375 is the next one I have before 360. 360 is going to be crucial, though. I really like 360 the most. But, of course, we're going to look at intraday levels today, too. MSTR, please. Sure thing. MSTR holding pretty well. Not bad. MSTR 310 resistance. Looking pretty fire there. MSTR, Coinbase, both kind of stuck. Range bound here. Looks just like the SPY, actually. Bit strange. Let's go see BTC USD. Bitcoin almost got to 100K again today. I'm going to be eyeing it up tomorrow. It could test it again tomorrow if we get a decent candle.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no manners. Damn. Fun, her bumper like a traffic jam. Ay, I was good to pay that girl like Uncle Sam. Back it on me, shawty craving on me, get to eating on me. She waited on me, shawty kicking on me, got the bacon on me. Sister in the bacon on me. Point blank close range that beat. If it gets a million, that's me.
Just out of curiosity, back in the day, what did people use to trade Bitcoin before Coinbase and Robinhood was around? That's a good question. There was obviously a lot of... it's been crazy over the years, Mike. Now, I don't know how far back you're talking, but like, let's say like 2011 or 2012 or something, let's say. How did people buy Bitcoin in 2010? Let's see. Bitcoin market was announced on Bitcoin Talk in 2010. It launched the same year, offering a floating exchange rate for Bitcoin. Buyers can purchase Bitcoin by sending another user US dollars via PayPal, while Bitcoin market would hold the seller's Bitcoin in escrow until the seller received their money. Wow, very interesting. Wow. Bitcoin market would hold the seller's Bitcoins in escrow till the seller received their money into their PayPal. Wow, that's weird.
There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason
They mined it. Yeah.
to change your way.
Well, you had to do something to start the mining, right? But yeah.
That I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be, a reason to start over new, and the reason is you.
I should have listened. Yeah. Wow, really, Kenny? Man, I had people on like the game RuneScape talking about Bitcoin back then, and I didn't even know what the hell they were talking about. I was too young. And now I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, damn, that stuff that they were talking about at $2 a coin. Oh my gosh. In like 2011, 2010, I was only like 10 or 12 years old, so I wasn't even thinking at all about Bitcoin. How much do you charge to have a Zoom meeting with someone to teach them how to trade options? Outlaw asked. It depends, Outlaw, on like, you know, if you're in the trading floor and stuff. Generally, somewhere around like 150 an hour. Something like that. It's generally been what's done. Depends on if you're in the trading floor, though. Trading floor members will get discounts. Kids 15 years from now will be like, it was 100K a coin when I was a kid. Imagine that. They will say that. You're probably right. Should have done that, yeah. For real, Tangy. Hopefully your friend still has it, Kenny. He probably doesn't even have any. That's the funny part. I bought a coin at 4,000 in 2015 on some sketchy exchange that got shut down and stole my money, Eli Crapper said. Shit, Eli, I know what you're talking about. That's some bull crap, man. That's what's so freaky about crypto, man. It's like out of nowhere, people just, you know, lose all their money. Just because the exchange that seemed legit, it wasn't. It was weird. I used to have an account on something called like BitPhoenix or BitFX or something. And then they quit allowing it in the United States. And I was like, are you kidding me? That pissed me off. I think that when they did that, that's whenever I was like, yeah, crypto, I don't know. But, all right, guys. We're probably going to call the stream here today. I don't want to, but there's a lot going on in the background right now. We're all traveling around here at Stocked Up. The daughter's sick. We got to take her to the doctor here in a little bit. That'll be pretty big. Hell yeah, Demure. Thanks for showing up, though, guys. Greatest community out there, I always like to say. Love it out here. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the super chats today. Thank you, Manny, as well. Member of the Year for 2024 in the house. Manny coming in clutch. Love it, Manny. Thank you, sir. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I appreciate you guys. If you need anything, let me know in Discord, of course. I got you. But all right, talk to you guys later. Have a great one, and let's kick off the year on a good note here. 2025 trading day number 1 is today. Let's see how it goes. Make sure you guys check out tonight's video. Mike should be back for tonight. Should, pending that flights and everything go well. All right, see ya. Oh, Whiskey coming in right as I was about to end. Had my finger on the end button. And Whiskey coming in with the $2. Appreciate you, Whiskey. Happy New Year to you as well. Many blessings to you and your family. Thank you, Whiskey. I'm going to use that to buy some whiskey. Hell yeah. No, I'm joking. All right. See you guys later. See you in the Discord.